Maker with Crystal. Today we're making this super cute plaid shirt card. It is so gorgeous. It has a little sentiment stuck in the pocket and perfect for casual dad. Let's make it.
Okay, hey guys. So the first thing I want you to do is build your layers because we're gonna build the card first and then put it on the card base. So let's do that. So I'm gonna put the card base aside, and we have the base shirt, the color, pocket, buttons, and the top of the pocket, right? And all your measurements are in the description. We're gonna layer everything as we should, and then we're gonna stick them together, and then we're gonna put everything together. So it's all stuck down. Note how I stuck this down. I did not stick it down square because they're both the same size. I stuck it with just an 1/8 of an inch or so, or 1/16 actually, on this side and on the bottom side. And I did not stick this down yet because we have to measure and cut this one. So let's do that now. So you're measuring this 1/4 inch up. I'm doing the same for this one. And then you're measuring the middle. This is 2.5, so 1 1/4. And we'll cut it just now. Let's just measure this one time. We'll measure the back of this one since it's patterned. So I just mark the middle by bending it, right? So let's get this cut. So you measured this 1/4 inch up on both sides also. And I'm going to cut it like so. I'm going to cut from here to the middle and then the middle to up, right? So we're going to cut it like this. Perfect. And let's put this one time on the top here. Oh, look how nice that looks. All right, let's just stick this down one time at the top and make your pocket finally. So we're going to make the final pocket one time, and then we're going to start putting this this card together. Now we're going to put the color in. So I'm going to measure my color against the card like this. See if I like how it looks. I'm going to put my hand where it's done, where it's stopping, and I'm going to put glue here and all across the top of the card, and I'm literally going to stick it down just like this. I'm not kidding. So put it back where you wanted it. Make sure it meets where you want it to meet, and eyeball it, and you stick it down. Then I'm going to grab my paper cutter and I'm going to cut the parts off. Alright, and then we're going to cut this part off as well. This is so brilliant. Look how that looks. That looks so nice. And now we're going to grab this and we're going to measure this.
much for watching while we made this really cute casual Father's Day card. It's so nice. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.